Bee venom or apitoxin is mighty unpleasant when stung, as we can all attest. Yet for us, it also has sensational healing properties too. This potent substance, produced by bees as a defense mechanism, has a plethora of healing characteristics that could greatly enhance our physical well-being. From its anti-inflammatory properties that could potentially alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions, to its potential as a natural painkiller, bee venom has a lot to offer. In the following scenes, we'll explore a total of 20 potential benefits. Yes, 20 benefits that you need to know. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned as we delve into these 20 remarkable health benefits of bee venom. Let's kick off our list with the first 5 benefits. One of the most notable properties of bee venom, also known as apitoxin, is its anti-inflammatory quality. This venom contains compounds which help reduce inflammation, potentially providing relief for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. It's like nature's own little fire extinguisher, calming the flames of inflammation in your body. Now moving on to the next benefit, pain relief. Bee venom acts as a natural painkiller by blocking pain signals in the body. Imagine it as a tiny buzzing guard, standing at the gates of your nerves, keeping those unwanted pain signals at bay. Our third benefit is improved blood circulation. Bee venom promotes blood flow, which can aid in healing and tissue repair. It's like a team of microscopic construction workers, repairing and rebuilding your body from the inside out. The fourth benefit is wound healing. Bee venom's antimicrobial properties could help prevent infections and speed up the healing of wounds. It's as if you have a tiny, buzzing medical team on standby, ready to swoop in and patch you up whenever you get a cut or scrape. Finally, the fifth benefit on our list is reduced scarring. Bee venom can minimize scarring by promoting collagen production and tissue regeneration. Picture it as a team of tiny buzzing artists, carefully painting over the canvas of your skin to minimize the appearance of scars. So, there you have it. The first 5 benefits of bee venom: anti-inflammatory properties, pain relief, improved blood circulation, wound healing, and reduced scarring. Moving on to the next set of benefits. Imagine having a natural and potent remedy for skin aging. Bee venom is believed to have anti-aging effects due to its potential to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This could be a game changer for the beauty industry, providing a natural alternative to chemical-based skincare products. Now, let's talk about acne. Anyone who's ever dealt with it knows how stubborn it can be. But bee venom, with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, can offer a natural solution. It could help reduce acne and promote clearer skin, giving you the confidence to face the world with a smile. If you have bee sting allergies, this next benefit might surprise you. Controlled exposure to bee venom through bee venom therapy may help desensitize individuals to bee stings. This could be a lifeline for those living in fear of a potentially fatal allergic reaction. On the topic of immunity, bee venom might just be your immune system's new best friend. It's suggested that bee venom can stimulate the immune system, potentially enhancing your body's ability to fight off diseases. This could be especially beneficial in a world where new health threats seem to emerge regularly. Lastly, for this segment, we delve into the realm of neuroprotection. Research suggests that bee venom may have protective effects on nerve cells. This could be particularly beneficial for conditions like Parkinson's disease, offering hope to millions around the world affected by neurodegenerative disorders. Halfway through, and the benefits just keep coming. Let's continue with more health benefits that bee venom has to offer. Our journey through the world of apitoxin now leads us to its antioxidant properties. Within this potent substance, we find compounds that actively hunt down and neutralize free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative damage to our cells, speeding up the aging process and contributing to a host of diseases. By scavening these harmful free radicals, bee venom provides a line of defense, protecting our cells and promoting overall health. From the microscopic realm of our cells, we move to the broader landscape of our cardiovascular system. Bee venom has been associated with heart health, and for good reason. It can lower blood pressure and improve circulation, ensuring that every part of your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. By promoting cardiovascular health, bee venom can be a natural way to keep your heart beating strong. Next, we turn to our respiratory system. Some believe that bee venom therapy can alleviate symptoms of asthma and other respiratory conditions. While the research is still ongoing, the possibility of finding relief from respiratory issues in bee venom is an exciting prospect. Bee venom also offers potential benefits for those dealing with muscle tension or spasms. It may help relax muscles, alleviating discomfort and promoting a sense of physical ease. Whether you're an athlete looking to recover after an intense workout, or someone struggling with muscle-related issues, bee venom's muscle-relaxing properties could be beneficial. Lastly, we delve into the antimicrobial activity of bee venom. This remarkable substance exhibits properties that can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. In a world where antibiotic resistance is a growing concern, the potential of bee venom as a natural antimicrobial agent is a ray of hope. With so many benefits, it's hard to believe there's still more to come. Here we are with the top 5 benefits of bee venom. First, let's talk about joint health. Bee venom therapy, a controlled exposure to bee venom, may help reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. This could be a game changer for those suffering from chronic joint pain. Next, we move on to a somewhat surprising benefit, hair growth. Some studies suggest that bee venom may stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. Imagine a natural solution to thinning hair right from the humble bee. Our third benefit takes us to the realm of digestive health. Bee venom may have protective effects on the digestive system, potentially reducing the risk of gastrointestinal disorders. So it's not just about soothing aching joints or promoting hair growth, but also about ensuring a well-functioning digestive system. The fourth benefit is a real mood lifter. Literally, bee venom may have mood-enhancing effects due to its ability to stimulate the release of endorphins and dopamine, the feel-good hormones. Who wouldn't want a natural mood booster? Finally, we arrive at the overarching benefit of enhanced overall well-being. By addressing various health issues and promoting overall balance in the body, bee venom can contribute to a sense of well-being and vitality. It's about the big picture, the holistic approach to health that bee venom may offer. And that wraps up our list of 20 health benefits of bee venom. So we've covered a lot of ground today with these 20 health benefits of bee venom. From its anti-inflammatory properties and pain relief capabilities to improved blood circulation and wound healing, bee venom offers a myriad of potential health benefits. It might also be a secret weapon for skincare, offering anti-aging effects and acne treatment. Its potential extends to neuroprotective effects, antioxidant activity, cardiovascular health, and even mood enhancement. But let's not forget, it's not a magic potion. While its benefits are significant, it's crucial to approach bee venom therapy with caution. Individuals with allergies or underlying health conditions must be particularly careful. Even with its many potential benefits, bee venom is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before using bee venom for medicinal purposes. And don't forget to subscribe for more content